signboard sitting in my stash for a very, very long time. I think before the pandemic, I picked these up from Amazon bins. And I've decided I'm going to make my own dollies out of it. So I'm going to cut 2 of these, tape together, and add wheels to it. I'm going to attach 4 wheels on each one, and then that will be my dolly. So my dollies are ready. I let them dry overnight, and now the glue has dried and the wheels are in, so they're ready. I specifically made these dollies to work on this credenza because I need to raise it, to paint it, to sand it. That was my objective, just for them. So let me tell you the story of this credenza. I picked up this credenza on Marketplace. It was listed for $100 initially, and then she reduced it to $80, and then she reduced it to $50. So I messaged her and I said, okay, I'll take it for $50. It's an old credenza. It's 1960s or 70s, or maybe one of you know the dates better. It's not in perfect condition, but the bones are really good. It's solid wood. It's strong and sturdy. The only problem is these bottom drawers don't go close all the way. So I just have to figure out the mechanism for that, change a few things. So I did try and sand a little bit here and there just to check what was inside this paint. It had 3 layers of paint. It had white chalk paint, black chalk paint, and gray chalk paint. And at the bottom, there was some kind of maybe a varnish or something. I don't know what exactly, but some kind of coating right at the bottom. So I sanded it, and this is the wood that came out underneath. It's beautiful. I intend to give it a whitewash and then maybe just wax it, and that'll be it. This is veneer on top, but it's kind of thickish veneer. It's not very thin, so I could sand it. I used 120 grit sandpaper and I sanded it. Now I have to sand all these. This credenza had longer legs with beams going across, like bars going across. So I cut it at the bottom because I did not want all that. So let's put this on the dollies and start working on it. I love the legs that it has, and even the hardware is very beautiful. When I cleaned it, it looked really good. So this is the top. It's a beautiful veneer. And this was the backing, which I removed. It was really bad condition. The nails weren't even holding, it was just falling off. Because wherever the nails were, the holes were too big and it had fallen off. So this is the back. There are a lot of these little things that I have to fix. So this leg is loose, it's come out, and I can see that there are two nails that were put in to hold it together. So I'm going to remove those two nails first, and I can see inside there's a biscuit sitting. I can just pour glue in that. I don't want to use my driver because I'll only use a hand driver because I don't know where it's sitting. And the wood is split. Since they're biscuit sitting, I can put glue in here and stick it back again. We don't need these 2 screws. I think they just put them to hold here. As long as I can get some glue into that groove. It'll dry overnight and I think it'll be fine then. For the credenza drawers, I'm planning to put this wood trim, which is heat bendable and comes as very hard and curly, but when you heat it up, it straightens out. You can use your hair dryer or a heat gun to heat it up, and look, it's straight now. So I'm planning to put it here and all around here. I bought this from a store that has closed down now, so I can't link it. But this is available in different designs on Amazon as well as Etsy. I've seen a lot on Etsy, so I'll see if I can link something for you guys. So this is the backing for this unit. I have a bit of a dilemma on my hands. I had it cut at Home Depot, but they've cut it 1 inch too short, although I gave them the exact measurements. So now it sits 1/4 inch on each side. So my plan is to use wood glue and glue it on the top, on the sides, and then I'll nail it with 3/8 nails all the way around. and I'm hopeful that that will work and it will stay. After a whole week's sanding, priming, painting, and waxing, the credenza is ready now, and I can decorate for Christmas. I'm so excited. Not to forget the hitches we had along the way, like the backing being too short and the legs had to be cut off because there were chunks missing out of it. But I am glad that I gave this unit a second life. Or maybe this is a third life or fourth life for it, but I'm glad I saved it and it didn't go into a landfill. And it'll look pretty in my living room for a very long time. So, are you ready for the final reveal? Let's do it! Thank you so much for coming along on this journey with me. Please subscribe and like the videos. It helps and supports my channel. Ring the bell icon so that you get notified for all the upcoming videos. And if you like this one, I know you like this one too. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.